Hello students, the next topic is making selections with switch and choose. Making selections with switch and choose. Making selections with switch and choose. Already you studied about making selections with what? If statement and a select case statement, right? Like that only we have other decision making statements in VB.NET. Those are nothing but switch function and a choose function. So in this first we are going to study about a switch function. Switch function. While writing switch, S should be capital letter. While writing switch, switch is a keyword and S is capital here. And whatever the switch function we have, this switch function evaluates a list of expressions. We will be having a list of expressions. It will evaluate a list of expression and it returns an object value or an expression associated with that. It returns an what? Object value or an expression associated with that expression. So for example, we will be having a n number of expressions in the switch, that is expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 up to expression n. If expression 1 is true, it returns value 1. If expression 1 is false, it will go to expression 2. If expression 2 is true, it will return what? Value 2, like that. And the general syntax of switch statement is, first you have to write a keyword what? Switch. Here S is capital letter and within the parenthesis you are writing the first condition, that is the first expression. If this condition is true, it will evaluate a value 1. It will evaluate a what? Value 1. Then comma expression 2. These are what? Optional. If we have more number of expressions or more number of conditions, we have to write that, or else we are writing only one condition. So whatever the second condition, third condition we have, those are what? Optional. So we are writing within the what? Bracket. If this expression 2 is true, it will return what? Value 2. Like that we will be having what? Expression n. If expression n is true, it will return what? Value n. So this is the what? General syntax of switch statement. First you have to write a keyword what? Switch. Later you are going to write what? Expression 1. If this condition is true, if this expression 1 is true, it will evaluate a value 1. If it is false, it will go to second expression, second condition. If this is true, it evaluates a what? Value 2. Or else it will what? Jump on to the next condition. So this is how the switch statement evaluates. For example, if I consider one value, that is, in order to find out the greater number among two numbers, we will be having the three variables, that is a, b, c. For example, if I write like this, c is equal to switch of a greater than b. What is the condition I am checking? A greater than b. A greater than b, it will return a value what? A. It will return a value what? A. If this is false, it will go back to the next condition. We are going to check that b greater than a. If b greater than a, it will return what? B. Like this. C is equal to, what is the statement we have written? Switch. ಈ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಬಿನ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಬಿ ಆದರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಏನ ಅಂತ, ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 20, here first it will evaluate this condition. 10 greater than 20. 10 greater than 20 is what? False. If this expression 1 is false, it will move on to what? Second expression. It does not evaluate this value. ಈ value evaluate ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ second expression ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is the second expression we have? B greater than A. What is B? 20. 20 greater than 10 is what? True. If it is true, it will evaluate what? B. Then the value of B is assigned to C. So ಅವಾಗ C is equal to ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 20 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is how the switch statement evaluates. And next we have a choose function. choose function. While writing choose, the C is capital. We use the choose function to return one of a number of choices based on an index. Choose ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ choose function. And the general syntax of choose function is, first you have to write a keyword what, choose, open a parenthesis, within that first you have to write a what, index of what, choice 1 comma choice 2 and up to choice n. This is the general syntax of what, choose function. First you have to write a keyword word choose, and within the parenthesis you have to write a word index. After index you have to write a word comma. All the choices are separated by comma. Here all the expressions are separated by what, comma. Index basis mele we can write a number of choices, choice 1 comma choice 2 comma choice 3 up to choice n. Index value basis mele ee particular choice enagutte, select agutte. That is, if the index value is 1, the first choice is returned. If the index value is 2, second choice ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. If the index value is 3, it will take a third option. If the index value is n, it will take a last choice. So this is how the choice evaluate. ಈಗ for example, if I want to retrieve the name of the employeeಗೆ ನನಗೆ employee ID ಇರುತ್ತೆ, employee name ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Employee ID and employee name ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ for example, if I want to assign the e-name is equal to, see here, e-name is equal to choose of, for example here I am going to write a what, eid comma a comma b comma c anta I am writing. That is, e-name is equal to choose of eid comma a comma b comma c. A is a choice 1, eid is a index here. Index na ನಾವು ಏನಾಗಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಐ ಡಿ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. A is choice 1, B is choice 2 and C is what, choice 3. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. For example, if the EID value is 2, if EID is equal to 2, it will take a second choice. This is the first choice and this is the second choice. So B is assigned to e-name. If EID is equal to 1, it will take A. If EID is equal to 3, it will take what, C. So this is how the choose function evaluates. Based on the index values, it will take a particular choice value. Thank you.